and welcome to Clappia. In this video, we'll see how to set statuses for your submissions and, more importantly, how to set a default status. Statuses are useful when you want to quickly understand the state of a submission. For example, whether something is under review, in progress, or completed, without having to manually update it every time. Let's see how this works. I've logged into my Clappia workplace and I'll be using this app that I've created earlier as an example. This is an incident reporting app and I've just added some basic fields to it. Now for every submission that's made to this app, I want a status to be associated with it. For example, I might want to know whether an incident is in review, resolved, or requires action. There is already a separate video on how to set up submission statuses in detail and I'll link that in the description. But just as a quick recap, let's walk through it. I'll go to Design App, then go to Configuration and click on Status. On the right panel, this is where you can set up your submission statuses. You can see that I've already added a few statuses over here. If you want to add more or add new status, simply click on Add Status, type in the status name, and save it. Now coming to the main part of this video, the default status. Under the list of statuses, you will find the option Default Status. Click on it, and you'll get a drop-down of all the statuses of this app. And you can choose which status you want every new submission to start with. So in this case, I'll select In Review as the default status and save it. Now let's see how this works. I'll go to App Home and make a quick random submission. So just for the sake of example, I'll not be filling all the fields, just a few of them. And that's it. I'll click on Submit. I'll head over to the Submissions tab where you can view all the submissions. And here you can see the submission that I just made. The status has been automatically set to In Review without me having to manually change anything or use workflows. If you don't set a default status, then by system default, all new submissions will show the status as submitted. You can still change it later, either manually or through workflows, but setting a default helps save that extra step. So this is how you can set a default status for your submissions, making sure every entry starts in the right state automatically, without any manual intervention. Default statuses will also work through the Clappia mobile app. You can download the Clappia mobile app through either Play Store or App Store. Any app that you create on the web app will be instantly available on the mobile app. It'll be live and ready to use. If you have any questions while setting this up or want to explore more advanced status-based workflows, you can check out our other videos on the channel or our help guide on the website. Or if you have any other questions on other features, you can raise a support request by clicking on the button over here at the top. You can choose the AI assistant that is trained on all of Clappia's help material, or you can select any other option and our support team will get in touch. Thank you.